In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable administrator account on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To disable administrator account in Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu, click on Computer Management, expand local users and groups, click on Users. Here you will find the user administrator. Right click on Administrator and click on Properties. And here you will find an option Account is disabled. That's select it and then click on Apply. Click on OK. And you will find a disable symbol is showing on the administrator account. This is the easiest way to disable administrator user account on Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.